Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to adjust Nissan Navara headlights. Proper headlight alignment is crucial for safe driving, preventing you from blinding oncoming traffic and ensuring clear visibility. First, find a level surface and park your Navara exactly 25 feet away from a flat wall. Make sure your tire pressure is correct and the vehicle is unloaded. You will need a long shaft Phillips screwdriver and some masking tape for this task. Now, let's prepare your target on the wall. Measure the height from the ground to the very center of your low beam headlight. Use masking tape to mark this exact height on the wall for both headlights. Then, draw a second horizontal line 2 inches below each of your center marks. This lower line will be your target for the top edge of the low beam's intense light, ensuring proper downward angle. With your target set, open the bonnet of your Navara. Look behind each headlight assembly to find the adjustment screws. For many Navara models, you will find a Phillips head screw, often made of plastic, which controls the vertical aim. Some variations, like certain D22 or NP300 models, might use a 10mm plastic nut or an Allen key slot. Identify the correct adjuster for your specific model. To begin adjusting, cover one headlight with a towel to avoid distraction. Insert your Phillips screwdriver into the adjuster. Turning it clockwise typically raises the beam, while turning it counterclockwise lowers it. Adjust the beam until the sharp, upper edge of the low beam's light pattern aligns perfectly with the lower tape line you marked. Repeat this precise process for the other headlight, ensuring both are correctly aimed for optimal visibility and safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.